Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentle FS, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first set of people to get notified when I post a new winning strategy. So in this strategy, it is awesome because you can use this strategy to catch spike and trade candlestick. And as you can see on this Crash 500, I'm trading candlestick. That is the candle tick. I'm trading against the spike. You can see I'm on profit with the smallest loss size. And this is what you have made. So, and this thing worked absolutely perfectly, and it will be more good for you if you could stick um to the rules that's guiding it. For now, I should be taking profit because it can reach the profit level. This strategy work almost in all time frame, but I prefer 5 and 15 minutes. I usually use it there. I use it on 15 minutes time frame for this one, but if you are using it, I advise you to use it on 5 minutes time frame, and also to be accurate. So how does this strategy work? You will wait for, if you are buying, you wait for price. This purple arrow going down, you wait for it to cross this red one. Wait for this one to cross red one. Wait for this one to cross this one and go below 10 level of the RSI. And also at that moment, this red signal line has already tested the 20 level RSI. So when you below it, you buy. So, and what is the condition for selling? Look at the condition for selling. It is above the red signal line, and the red signal line retested at 80 level, and the blue on the purple stochastic line, the purple line has reached 90 level. So from here you can enter your set trade. You can ride it massively, and for you to be on safer side, immediately the red one touch the 10% for selling, take profit. Immediately the red one also touch the 90% for buy, you take your profit. Like you see now, there are a little spike. So, but if you are following the strategy and following the rules guiding it, you wouldn't have, because by this spike you have taken the profit before this little spike came down. And that is for this strategy. Let me show you the settings. So the relative strength index, the period is 14, apply to weighted close, style 3 pixel, color of your background, and the level are 90 and 10. The levels are 90, 10 and 50. This is it, 90, 10 and 50. That is the level. And stochastic oscillator is K period, K percent period 60, D percent period 1, slowing 1, price feed low high, method simple, 3 pixel on main signal, on main color of your background, and signal pixel is red, level is 20 and 80. And video not necessary, then you click done. And moving average is period 60, shift to 0, smooth, close, 3 pixel. I use purple color, you can use any color of your choice. You click done, and that is it.